Here we go. Whoo! Smack the crap out of that gong. All right, guys, welcome back. This is Eric here with Iraq Veteran 8888. Today we're going to be taking a look at a really awesome modern rifle here. This is a Patriot here from Mossberg. Now, a lot of people know Mossberg as a shotgun company, and obviously they've really solidified themselves for making awesome shotguns. You probably remember our 940 video that we put out not too long ago. Also, the new 590 that takes the short little mini shells and stuff. So they're always innovating in the shotgun world, but they also make a lot of awesome rifles and stuff. And their Patriot line is a set of bolt action rifles that come in a lot of different price points and configurations. This particular one happens to be the one that is set up in this really nice MDT stock. It has a full V-bedding aluminum blocks in it. You got some nice Accuracy International type magazines for your bottom metal. So you have detachable magazine, you've got a fluted bolt, you have a 24-inch bull barrel, 6.5 PRC, which is like a 6.5 Creedmoor on steroids. This particular rifle puts it into a Magnum class power that is absolutely stellar. Lots of power, lots of downrange energy. You can see there that 10-inch gong at 300 just got the smackdown put on it. And here in a minute, we're going to shoot some crazy targets just to kind of see what happens and everything. But accuracy on this rifle is stellar. I love the way that this MDT stock is set up. Now, they are marked Mossberg, but they are made by MDT. And they've done a great job in the industry, solidifying themselves more on the OEM side of things as well. There's a 20 MOA base. We've got a set of Leupold rings here, and this is mounted up with a Leupold Mark V HD. This particular one is a 3.6 to 18 by 44. This is a front focal plane optic, really nice Leupold scope. You've got adjustable comb height, adjustable length of pull with the use of spacers, okay? And you also have M-LOK compatibility in the fore-end. So if you want to run your clip-ons or gadgets, or of course a bipod or something like that, you can do so. In terms of the suppressor that we're running on this particular gun, it is a Griffin Armament Explorer 300. This particular suppressor is rated for up to 300 Winchester Magnum. So it is a 30 cal suppressor that we're running here on a 6.5, but of course the 6.5 PRC is a Magnum class of cartridge, but it is totally fine to run through this particular can, and this can is rated for up to 300 Winchester Magnum. We have tried a couple of varieties of ammunition out in this particular gun. One variety is the Hornady Match. Of course, you know that we run a good bit of this particular ammunition. It's a 147 grain ELD, which, Hornady is definitely the go-to people when it comes to the 6.5 Creedmoor ammo. So the 6.5 PRC is no different. The ammo performs quite well. The projectile that we just launched downrange is the Precision Hunter load. So we are going to be taking some of the Precision Hunter ammo and launching some rounds at some fleshy targets to see what this thing can do at range. Now, you might remember a video that we did not too long ago where we took a 6.5 PRC and we were shooting hogs with clip-on thermals, and that was a lot of fun. And that was my first exposure to 6.5 PRC as a cartridge, and it did quite well. We were really excited at the performance. So when Mossberg, wanted to know if we want to check out the Patriot, I agreed to do it because I've been interested in the cartridge and really want to see what kind of, it can do in terms of accuracy. The trigger on this gun is super, super smooth, super crisp. It is listed as a trigger that is adjustable from 2 to 7 pounds. So it is a nice, really nice trigger there. All right, we're going to take a few more shots. Right now, we're just going to shoot some steel. We've got steel, arranged at various distances here. We're just going to have a little fun. And these Hornadies shoot so, so good. Smooth bolt, nice trigger. Real nice. Smacks that gong for sure. Bottom metal's working real nice. Magazines are feeding pretty. Huh. Might have pulled that shot. Let's try again. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. I do like the heavy-ish barrel that's on this gun. It is a medium contour barrel, so not super heavy. You know, the rig is light enough that if you want to carry this around and use it as a hunting rifle, you can completely do it. It's not, you know, so heavy that it's cumbersome or difficult to tote around or anything like that. And the heavy barrel does yield itself better to heat dissipation and things like that. So you don't have to worry quite so much about the barrel heating up for extended strings, like if you're going to use this thing for any type of long distance varmint hunting or something like that. Maybe not small varmints, but I'm thinking like hogs or coyotes or something like that, a target rich environment where you might be running the bolt a little bit fast and warming the gun up. It obviously is set up for bottom metal. So of course, you know, you can have a couple of mags with you, whatever. I like it, and I think for what this rifle costs, you know, it is a very fair price point. It is competitive in price with rifles like the Bagheeras and things like that, so that's really nice. And of course, these rifles are from a good, reputable manufacturer. Mossberg does a great job, and a lot of people don't know they make rifles. So I really wanted this video to kind of serve that purpose, to let people know that Mossberg does make rifles, and these are awesome. So we're going to set up a couple of crazy targets. Let's have some fun. I've got some funny things to show you, and we're going to test out some of these projectiles. This is touted as a hunting bullet. I've got enough left here. We're gonna shoot some crazy stuff. I brought some fun stuff to shoot, so let's have a go at it. Okay, we've got a giant frozen pail of chitlins. Okay, we're gonna shoot these chitlins. Let's have some fun with this. This is gonna be disastrous. I'm so glad that I'm not down there. Those chitlins are 300 yards away. Hornady Precision Hunter projectile. Can of chitlins, baby. Boy, this is the makings of a beautiful stew. Not really. It's gonna be kind of morbid, but here we go. All right. Whoa, Nelly. Whoa. Okay, we've got a can of hominy downrange. Now, those chitlins came apart pretty dang awesome. It threw crap everywhere and sent the lid off flying, and I don't even want to imagine what it smells like down there, but I'm glad I don't have to be down there right now. We're gonna shoot this can of hominy. Now, in some of our other testing we've done, especially in some of the shotgun videos, the hominy comes apart really nice with like a shotgun slug or a big heavy payload, so I'm curious to see how the 6.5 PRC is gonna hold up. Let's smack this thing, shall we? All right, here we go. Whoa, yeah! Woo! Yeah, I saw that all the way from back here. That was 300 yards away. A can of hominy, big old number 10 can. Heck yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so in time for Thanksgiving, we've got a frozen turkey. Now this is gonna be fun. I chose the frozen stuff because I figured, you know, maybe it would come apart really nice, you know, kind of compressed and everything. And I thought about taking the turkey out of the packaging and all, but one thing, I don't want to get my hands all over that nasty crap. And two, I think it might come apart a little bit better still being all wrapped up. So, all right, same distance, 300 yards, Hornady Precision Hunter projectile out of our Mossberg Patriot rifle. Let's have some fun here. Okay, 300 yards on a turkey. This is probably not the gun that Mossberg makes that you need to be shooting a turkey with, but I digress. We'll use a rifle, why not? Okay, here we go. Frozen turkey, 300 yards. Whoa, yikes! 300 yards away, it threw physical chunks of that turkey in every direction, like in a 50-yard radius all around that freaking turkey. Some really cool stuff. That turned out really nice. So I wanted to show you guys the performance of the 6.5 PRC, just what the downrange energy actually looks like. This is 300 yards away. I mean, it's throwing crap in every single direction all over the place. So this cartridge has a lot of crazy visceral energy on tap. And I dig it. I think this is a fantastic rifle. I think Mossberg has done a great job with this line of rifles. They do have some different calibers that they're available in. If you don't want to, you know, shoot a 6.5 PRC, they have 6.5 Creedmoor, 308s, things like that, all your standard fare. But really cool rifle, and I appreciate you all watching today. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Many more videos on the way. We'll see you soon.